Hey, this is Dave, and today I got a surprise for you. It's a 2024 View. Now, this is our first one that we've seen. It's sold before it even got here. So, pretty cool unit. The first one I've got to go in. So it's kind of got a small version of the Versa Lounge, and you got awesome windows. So it does come with some stools, and you got this little kitchen area, pretty cute. Does have two ACs, 2 Coleman Max. Look at all that. This is what they call it, the View. Now, this is where the bunks are. And they're for kids, they're pretty small. So pull down this little latch. This opens up, and then you get lots of little organizers, little storage here and there, and then the bunks are right here. So this would fold out. So, I mean, the kids are gonna have to be small to be in here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a little stepping stool or something. But that's the little hidden area that's back behind the fireplace. It does have an AC duct in there. That's the back of the wall here. Television would hang right here. So that's the entertainment center. It does have a sound bar there, or radio / sound bar. Take a little look around. There's your second AC. So going into the bathroom, it does have this pocket door. It got this cool shape to it there. Nice big shower stall, and there's your bathroom, and plenty of room at the throne there too. So this does have a tankless water heater. There's your controls. It does have a solar panel on the roof. It does have a pocket door here, and they have what they call a Versa tilt, and it's electric for this bed, king size bed. And look at this view. Wake up in the morning and just enjoy the lake or whatever's next to you, your neighbors. So king size bed, and it's curved off, so it's going to be easy to get around in here. So there's a ducted in here. You can put another television inside. But this is the 2024 View. And I'm pretty impressed. It's going to be an awesome unit. You could even use that for storage back behind that if you needed to just use it for that. So it does have power stabilizer jacks. Is this a fiberglass unit? So she looks from the back. You can put a backup camera on it if you want. There's the slide, which is the little bunk room. All right, there she is, her first 2024 View, and like I said, it's sold on its way in. We have more coming, and I think another model. So I'll show you that as soon as we get it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.